Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your learning agenda for January 4th, 2021. So for the next 3 days, we are going to be operating this class different than usual. So this is for January 4th, 5th, and 6th. Because of the closure of the in-person school system, I will no longer be working at KCI. I'll be working at my house, which will be, again, a little more difficult because I become the primary caregiver of 2 children. So we are not going to be running our typical 3 meets a day, the one at 9 a.m., 11:15, and 1:15. We're only going to be running one per day. So I'm going to be operating this class in a flipped classroom model where I'll be giving you tasks and videos to watch, and I will be providing extra help again live on Google Meet at 1:15. So that will be the one Google Meet that does continue, but it won't be mandatory. So again, you found this video. So that's task 1 for today after your pre-work, which is learning about PowerPoint Online. PowerPoint Online is a competitor to Google Slides made by, again, Google's big competitor, Microsoft. And honestly, again, once you watch this video and play around a bit with PowerPoint Online, you're going to realize you have a lot of the same skills or necessary skills in order to use it because it's very similar to Google Slides. Okay, an important thing I would like you to do is to click on this link that says Daily Attendance Google Form. This is how I'm going to take attendance in my class for the next 3 days. So please make sure every day, it's not a bad idea to pause the video right now and to click that link and just click yes and say, yes, I am here and I have seen the work for today. So please do that immediately as soon as you can. That is how I'm going to take attendance today. Okay, you have 2 short video lessons. So video lesson number 1 is how to use hyperlinks and action buttons in Google Slides. The second one is how to embed or, again, insert a YouTube video into your presentation. So those are the 2 video lessons, learning how to do those 2 particular skills in Google Slides. Your assignment for today is something I call the Save My Favorite TV Show Google Slide presentation. So, and you are creating a second Google Slide presentation in this unit. The first one was your cool new tech research project. This one, you're taking a bit of a different kind of perspective on the presentation. You're creating a pitch presentation. So you're going to pretend that you kind of work for a TV show and it may go off the air, and you're trying to pitch or convince network executives that your favorite TV show should remain on the air. So you may have to research some information about your show, but generally when you're picking your show, there's 2 things you should probably think about. 1, pick a show you are familiar with and you know a lot about, and pick an appropriate presentation. I always say with any topic you present in any class, it always should pass the grandma test. So pretend your grandma is watching your presentation. Would she find it appropriate or not? And the answer is no. Pick a different show. So again, you're pretending you are going to pitch to network executives why your favorite show should be kept on the air or brought back if it's already been canceled or ended. So what is the presentation and how should it be designed? Your first slide should be a title slide with your name and the name of the show. The second one should be details about the show, again, when it airs, the network it airs on, and so on. And then any interesting facts about your show, maybe how many awards it's won. A list of the cast, again, organized in a table. So put the actor's name in the column beside the character they play. I haven't taught you specifically how to do tables in Google Slides, but it's exactly the way you would do it in Google Docs. There is no difference. Okay, so pick 4 main characters in the show and describe what character they play and tell me some information about their character in the show. Your next slide will be a brief biography about 2 cast members, 1 slide about each cast member. Again, this is about the cast member in real life, not the character they play on the show. So maybe tell me what other TV shows or movies they've been in, something about their personal life. Are they married? Do they have kids? When did they start acting, etc.? Importantly, in your own words. A brief synopsis of 3 favorite episodes, and why they're your favorite episodes, 1 slide per episode. This is also a great opportunity to embed a YouTube video, maybe of a clip from that episode. Then I want you to put your name and the most recent date you worked in the speaker notes of that first slide. I would like a conclusion slide. Again, with your 3 reasons why the show should remain on the air. The way you're going to be presenting this, it'll be another Vidyard presentation where you're going to use the Vidyard screencast app to record yourself giving the presentation. So you'll need to submit that link to that presentation as well when you're submitting it to the Dropbox. Okay, your presentation should use always transitions. It should have hyperlinks. It should have animations, and you know how I like my animations, which is where the bullets appear one at a time. I would like, again, pictures, always lots of pictures. Again, any presentation that doesn't have pictures is a bad presentation. You need tables. And I would like the timing feature to be used, where you publish it to the web and have the slides advance every 10 seconds. Excuse me. Again, so when you're all done, there should be 3 things that you put into the Dropbox. One is the Google Slides presentation link. The second one is the link to your Vidyard presentation, the actual video of you giving your presentation. And the third one is the publish to the web link, where you can see that the slides are advancing every 10 seconds and the presentation is running itself. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me or meet me on Google Meet at 1:15. So that is your assignment for today. So make sure everything gets submitted to that Dropbox. And again, questions right here. Again, this is the best time. Again, it should be timed well to be right in the middle of my daughter's nap. So 1:15, click this link. This will be the live part of today. It's not mandatory, but if you do have questions, you're stuck, you're unsure about some of my instructions, please meet me there. Otherwise, have a good day, guys, and you can always email me.